today I'm going to show you how to use email marketing to boost your business, promote your business, get more customers to your business. So email marketing is one of the best tools businesses use these days to boost up their business and improve their business every day. So today, as we're going to learn how to extract millions of emails, you know, using a particular software. So with that software, you can extract millions of emails, of which you can use to boost your business. So the way the software works, you can extract emails from any part of the world, in any country of your choice, in any profession. That is where we talk about the professions like doctors, lawyers, attorneys, or people who are into business to business, retailers, and all that. So today, let me show you how it works. The software that I have here, with this software, I can be able to extract millions of emails from any part of the world, in any country, and any business category. So today, let's say I want to extract business emails from Japan. So what I'm going to do is, I have some listed keywords here. I have some business categories here. So let's say I'm going to work with, we have many of them like doctors, nurse, hospitals, and all that. So for example, today, let's see what I'm going to do. I will use something like a business services in Japan. So I can just click on this list that says business services and industry executive and all that. So I can copy this, and as I copy it, like I can put it in the keyword list. So this keyword list, I can paste in that keyword, and I have to put it in order by using this plus sign, so to separate them, so that it can give me a moderate search. So I'll put it there. Then there's a keyword, there's an arrow on this between this keyword environment and this keyword list environment. So I'm going to use this arrow now to transfer these keywords into the keyword list. So I'll use this white arrow to do that. Then I'll have to select the search engine of Japan. So because all the emails that I want it to be targeted on that Japan. So you can set your target list with this search engine function here. So I'm looking for Japan. So this is Japan. So all the email that I'm going to get here will have to be from Japan business and services and industry executive. So that's it. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is click on this tab that says settings. On this settings, I can click on the country level and still maintain that Japan. So I'm going to look for that Japan, the country Japan. So that is where I want to extract my emails from. Then the contact type. So this software can extract both phone numbers and the emails. So if you want both phone numbers and emails of this business category that you just selected, you can do it here. But today I want only the emails, so I will uncheck the phone number, uncheck Skype, uncheck the fax. I want their Yahoo Mail, and I also want their Gmail. So that's it. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is to enter the phone number featuring. If assuming I selected the phone number, I will have to come and select that same country here, which is Japan, or any other country that you selected that you want to extract from. So assuming I selected the phone number, I can select that Japan. As I select it now, you see that it's going to give me that Japan number code. So that's it. Then the next thing now, for example, I can remove some numbers which I don't like their prefix, like this. You say discard numbers, like, you understand, like giving you the date, and no, I don't want stops like that. I can discard all this, you understand. So that is it, assuming I selected the numbers. So that's it. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is to apply it, you understand, apply the settings. But based on this contact type that we already selected, it's only the email, so it's not going to give us that number except you selected the phone number and the fax column. So that is it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on apply changes. So after that, now I have to click on this button that says search now. So it's going to start searching. So it's asking me if I want to continue from where I stopped before. No, I want to start a fresh search. So I'll click on yes and no. I mean to say, so as I click on that no, so you're going to start a fresh search for me. So that's it. So let's wait. In seconds you're gonna see, you know, categories. That's a business categories from that Japan. I said that the business services industry, and so it's already bringing out the emails. So that's it. So you can give it time. See, it's already bringing out emails from that category. So all the investors, all the business, you know, industries that are in Japan, you know, they can bring out, you know, contacts from there. So let's just wait, see. Still coming up. So it's still extracting. So when you leave this connection on, at least before the end of the day, you can get millions of emails as you want. You understand? So being also from that category of businesses that you selected, so it's still extracting. And also it can give you the title, the page title that you're working on. So if it's you know, US, UK is your target, anywhere you targeted, it will also bring out the investors, that is the business services and industries executives which are in that particular country and in that particular feed. So that's it. So it's still working out emails for you. So you see now, in just few minutes we already gotten not even minutes, you know, let's say in just few minutes you already gotten about 90 to 100 mails. You understand? So if you leave this connection on before the end of the day, you see that you already gotten you know, thousands of emails. You understand? Thousands to millions of emails. So that's it. So thank you. So I'm going to stop this video now. So let's export the ones we've gotten already. I can click on stop. So if you still want to continue, you can continue. So I will click on yes to stop the search. So that's it. Okay, it's telling me that you know, there was about it. So though it's still extracting, but you know, I have to validate the ones I already have. So I can click on this validate to validate the ones I already have here. I can click on yes. You understand? So you start validating those emails. So the essence of validating is for you to remove the ones which are not active. You understand? So you must make sure that you work with the active ones. You understand? So I have to, the software, the benefit of the software is that it extract data and as well validate the data. So it's validating those data now for me. So let's be patient. Still validating. So you see now, inside that 113, you know, it's only 3 emails which are not valid, leaving us with 110. You understand? So it's a good software. So it validates to tell you whether the emails are active or not. So after that, now you can save your emails. For you to save your emails, all you need to do is click on this button that says save. This button that says save. As you click on it, you'll be able to save these emails. You understand? So if I don't want the title, I'll uncheck the title. I'll make sure that Yahoo Mail, Google Mail, and the email addresses are checked and the contact. So I can click on save now. You understand? Then if I click on save now, I have to give it a title. I'll call it you know, saying, let's say business email Japan. So that's it. I click on save. And another way for you to save that email again is, if you don't want to go through that process, you can come from the first one, you can highlight it, you understand. As you highlight it, you copy, pressing Ctrl C on your computer, you copy it, then you can come somewhere and paste in the email. So I think this is one I did before, you understand, from That's in Japan. I think this one should be from doctors also. So I don't want this, so I'll paste in this fresh one that I just extracted. So you see them here, you understand. So that's it. So the next thing I'm gonna do is you know, I'll have to copy those emails and send messages to them. We also have a good SMTP server that can send unlimited emails daily. So if you want a good SMTP server that will serve you, we will provide you with one. Though I'm using a Gmail SMTP here, but we have SMTP servers that send unlimited emails daily. So let me say I'm going to send messages to these people. So I will paste in those contacts. Sorry, instead I'll have to, you know, copy it from here. Okay, I think okay, that should be this, right? Yeah, that's this. Okay, yes, I can copy it fresh here now. Copy it fresh from here. I will copy, then paste it. Oh, it's still giving me that nonsense. So let me see. I can use this method. By using this spreadsheet to arrange that email first before, you know, sending it. So I'll paste it here to remove that space that is giving me in the other way. And so I have to drag this one, you understand. So I'll delete this column. So that's it. So starting from here now, I will copy, then I will come here, highlight everything there before, and paste in this one now. So you see now it's already well arranged. So I can add in some of my email to see whether it delivers safely. I'll add this, also add another. Add this, so add another. So I'll add up to like 3 emails for you to confirm it that it's sent successfully. So that's it. So that's it. So I'll have to click on this button that says send. So it's going to send those emails now. So make sure that you add the subject of your message. The subject of the message I have here is a send unlimited emails daily. Then here I have the body of the message, adding your SMTPs as you order for this software and the SMTP that will provide you with. Remove this SMTP Gmail and add the one we are going to give to you, and also the SMTP server username and the password. You understand? And put in the name of the sender. Like here now I have Claim Designs Tech. That's a Claim Designs, so that's the name of the sender. So make sure that everything is well entered before you start sending your email. So that's it. So still working on it, still sending. About 60 have sent, about 80 have been sent. So still waiting for it to complete the sending process. So we have sent about 112 mail that we have there. So you see now the 112 mail, let's say proceed like I said, the process, the transmission is about 212. So the transmission is 0. So that means they all went. So I can also check my email to see whether it delivered. Okay, right now it's already delivered. Like you see now, Claim Designs, you understand, send unlimited emails daily. So this is the message you see. And I can also check another email. Let's say I'm checking this one. I didn't send this to this, I didn't send it to this. Okay, I think I sent it to this I think I sent it to this one here. Which one? Okay, I have it. Do I have it here? Let me see if I send it to that. No, I didn't send this to this. So let me see. Okay, this is the one I send it to. So let me check whether it delivers. Wow, you see it delivers. You understand? So Claim Design segment. So I also check. I think I sent it to about 3 emails. So I think okay, I send it to this one as well. So let me check. Okay, it's since I didn't send it to this. Let me see. Let me see the ones I send it to. Okay, yes, I sent it to that one. Maybe it have not delivered yet. So that's it. Thank you for watching. So if you need any of this software, you can call us, especially this one that extracts or the one that sends. Or also, if you need a professional website for your business, you can give us a call. We can give you a dynamic and a professional website to run your business online. So thank you for watching. See you next time. So bye for now. Thank you.